It's all about helping the environment, helping create a sustainable future for communities by helping reduce emissions from the places that we work and we go to school.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Primera and Banner Bank.
Welcome to CarbonQuest. We're a startup that's really building a new and innovative decarbonization platform for helping industrial customers decarbonize their infrastructure. When you combust natural gas or you electrochemically use natural gas to create energy, it has a lot of CO2 emissions that go in the atmosphere. So what we essentially do is we attach this new technology to the side of that emission source, and we draw those emissions in that are rich in CO2. Processing out the CO2, we put the good stuff back and it goes out, and essentially now it's clean and free of CO2. And then we take the carbon, we actually liquefy it and we store it on site, and then we put it to beneficial uses in the environment. So the system works really in 4 steps. There's a step where we're extracting the flue gas. We draw in that and we're pre-treating that. There's water, there's oxygen, nitrogen, some particulate material, and then CO2. So we're kind of cleaning that up, pre-treating it, and we feed it to our separation system. And that separation system has these vessels. You can see these vessels in here that are full of materials. Push the mixed gas through this material under pressure. What the material does at the molecular level basically adsorbs CO2 into its pores. All that timing works to basically continuously take a CO2-rich mixed gas stream, and at the end of it, we end up with a pure stream of CO2 coming out the back end. The waste is essentially goes back to the stack and out, so it's clean. But the time value of carbon, as people that are passionate about trying to make an impact, the most economically viable thing and the greatest impact we can have is capturing all the emissions and avoiding all the emissions that we can today.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Primera and Banner Bank.